Okay guys, so if you talk about the procedural programming language, like you have the core PHP, which use the interpreter which execute the code line by line. Okay, so if you talk about the JIT, so JIT handle better than the procedural programming or the interpreter. So how exactly the JIT works? Let's get started. Okay guys, so now if you talk about the PHP8, the major changes they have introduced in PHP8 is JIT, which is just-in-time compilation. You know very well that the lower version of the PHP use the interpreter. That means the system execute line by line. But in the JIT, they have introduced the JIT first of all. So they use two types of JIT, tracing JIT and also the function JIT. As you can see, the tracing JIT compile the entire sequence of byte code which they are frequently executed. Okay, so while functions JIT only compiles the individual PHP functions. So in this way, the JIT works, and I have executed the program or the code. So here is the code. As you can see, this is the code. It's start here. So I am using the loop from 0 to this figure, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm using the pause and also the sign, and I'm calculating the time and showing the executions time. Okay, so without the JIT, so this piece of code executed in 4.2 seconds, but with the JIT, the code executed in 2.15 second. Since I have the 8.1 version, so whenever I say PHP8, that means I'm talking about the 8.0, 8.1, 8.2. That means we are talking about the 8.x version. Okay, so now what we gonna do? We gonna enable the JIT in your. Okay, now I'm just going to the enable the extensions. As you can see, this is the Zen extensions available in your .ini files, and I'm gonna open or enable these two things, and I'm going to add the bottom two lines code. So now I'm going to open the Laragon. As you can see, this is the Laragon. Okay, so I already running the Laragon. So this is the Laragon. Right click. Okay, so now go to the 8.1 version. I also have the 8 and also the 7 version. So here, as you can see, just click on the .ini files available here. So this is the .ini files. If you want to check the file path, as you can see, we have the C drive, and also go to the C drive. We have a Laragon and we have a www directory. Sorry, we are not executing the files. So we're gonna go to the bin and also the PHP, and then we're gonna go to the 8.x version like 8.1. You can also setting the ini file by going to the 8.0 version if you have. Okay, so now find the .ini files here. Just hit the enter button, and the Windows find the related file, and you will have this file, which is I'm currently opening in my text editor. Okay, once again I'm going to attempt the searching. So .ini files, enter. I don't know why the search is not working. I think I have the PHP Windows update. Okay, so now we're gonna just copy and search the code here, and we have to enable this one. Make sure just remove the semicolon. Okay, but before doing this, we are going to execute the code. This is the code we have wrote to check the execution time. Okay, so now I'm going to the local host, and let me check the file name. It's index.php. So this is the index.php. Okay, hold on. So now we have the OOP in PHP. You know very well that this is the project name. Then we're gonna use the index.php. Okay, so OOP in PHP, and then index.php. Okay, so now as you can see, it's taking time to execute the project because we are using the loop. So it start from the 0 till the condition. As you can see, now it's saying 9 seconds to execute this code. Okay, so if you talk about the enable. To enable this extension, find this code, also enable this one. It's by default disable. And now once again find this code in your ini file. So this is your ini file. Just enable this one and make it 1. And now check the below 2 lines of code. If it's not available in your .ini file, then you can just copy and add them. Otherwise, if you have these 2 lines, just remove the semicolon to enable. Okay, so now you have enabled the code. Now you have to restart the Laragon. Okay, so now just click on the restart button. It's fine, it's working. So now go to the page, refresh the page, and you will see the magic. So it took 2.3 seconds, from 9 seconds to 2.3 seconds. So now imagine how PHP is quick and faster than the previous version. So in this way you can enable the JIT from your .ini file. Okay guys, so this is about the JIT. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up and thank you for watching.